on the attack from the left-hand side. Can he get past? Great defending, but he's still with Sporting Club de Goa. He shoots inside and it's saved by Xavier Pereira. The ball is the captain. Lloyd reaches to it, gives it to Kunal. Kunal with that low cross inside. This might be an opportunity for Sporting Club de Goa. But a vital intercept. Reaches man. Yes, it could. And Kunal delivers one inside. Good cushioning themselves. He has brought it down quickly. And it's in the box. Oh, the shot. Too good for the Mumbai City FC side. Now, once again, they are on the attack. Kunal delivers a low cross, but it hits the side netting. Today, not able to emulate the same, but here they are onto the left hand side. Delivers one inside, passes it. Chance for Sporting Club to go home. Good ball forward. This might be an opportunity for Cortalim, but it's Lions left hand side. Sporting Club to go once again on the attack. What can they conjure here? It is brought down by the number 17, but it was very well blocked by on a kick. And set pieces keep on coming. Sporting Club de Goa's way. This might be an opportunity. What a great save. Maggie, free kick taker. Delivers one inside, but it is punched away by the Sporting Clubs against Sporting Club de Goa. On the move from the far side. This time it is delivered one inside. This time a volley, but it just goes. Tried to go direct for an Olympico, but it was was a poor pass. Indeed, a poor pass, and this might be a breakout opportunity for Sporting Club de Goa with the number 23. Curls it inside. Good save, Xavier Pereira. Side, if they get that goal, Cortalim will have a mountain to climb. Go shot. This was a shot inside. They are appealing for a handball, but it seems Lucas with that clearance forward eventually gives the ball back to Sporting Club de Goa. This might be an opportunity, and they have done it. Sporting Club. Now Sporting Club de Goa once again on the attack. This might be another opportunity for the team in orange. They have got options here. He tried to go alone, and it is saved by Xavier Pereira. Good ball forward. It's a beauty. Very good ball forward. Can he finish it off? But Lloyd Cardozo just couldn't get past for them, as they would have already won the game. And here they are. They have an opportunity. Still in the 18-yard box. Tried to shoot, but it was... The offside flag was kept down. And this might be an opportunity for Cortalim. And he shoots it, but it sails over the bar. Sidney Lucas. Oh, given away cheaply. Lloyd Cardozo have a chance, and he has missed it. Oh. And it is indeed a true case today, because if they lose, all credits will go on to... Oh, they have scored in. Cortalim gazing on him. What can he deliver? Goes for the far post. It's still in the 80-yard box, and they have done it. Cortalim have